It's easy to add a title to your video in Adobe Premiere Pro. Position the playhead where you want your title to appear. Click the word Graphics at the top of the screen to go to the Graphics workspace. Select the Text tool. Click anywhere in the program monitor and type your title. This will add a new text clip to your sequence. Click the Selection tool so you see a blue bounding box around your text. Now you can change the font, size, color, position, opacity, and more. At any time, you can click the Align and Transform buttons to center your title in the program monitor. Reposition the title clip to wherever you want it to appear in your sequence. Drag the ends of the clip to change the duration. Right-click either end of your title clip and choose Apply Default Transitions to add a fade-in or fade-out effect to your title.
Cities of limestone and verdant jungles.